So, funny thing, I sold the whole scene without bothering to read. Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. I am Leslie of LesAnn Creation, coming to you from my work from Hootie Hoo. Alright, y'all. So I thought I'd pop in the middle of this video or wherever I'm being placed at, because I was editing this video and realized y'all have no idea what I'm making. So let me tell you what I am currently creating. So here in this video, I am showing you how I created this cape. I had did one rendition or a wrap, and my client still wasn't feeling it. Now, of course, this was done on the fly, so it wasn't like I had like a whole bunch of time to think of something big or over the top. But I knew she needed something to kind of curb or make her feel better in the gown that she was getting ready to wear to an event. So I made her basically a capelet out of chiffon and sequins. My goal was to, I made the wrap, but she wasn't really vibing with it. But it just was, she didn't want to have to worry about how she wears it. Does she have to tie it? Does she have to pin it? So I wanted to take the guessing work out. So I made her a capelet. So I'm going to take you on how I made it. Hopefully you can see everything. If not, I'll kind of explain it. Now remember, if you have any questions about anything that you see here, drop them below. I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. What you will see here is me creating something with fabric. Why? Because I got plenty of fabric, and I'm on a challenge for myself. I've only made barely a quarter dent, but we got to bump it up so we can really make a huge dent. So stay tuned. See you later. Alright, for this, this is probably about 18 inches. Something like that, I think. About 18 inches. Nope, it's 24. I don't need it this long. I need to finish about 18 inches, roughly. As long as it finishes about 18 inches, I'm going to be right where I need to be. So the biggest I probably want it to be at the most with hems on the side is 22, 23 inches. Because I don't want it all the way up on her neck. I would wear it up on my neck, but I don't think she wanted it there. Yeah, pretty much for chiffon, I don't like cut. I don't try to cut it straight because it won't. I don't care what you do, it just won't cut straight. It will go crazy. It is easier to tear it. So I'm gonna make sure it's half an inch smaller. Because the neck one is bigger, the easiest way to kind of help it make it into this size that I need it to be is I'm gonna run a basting stitch around it. I can always do a dart in the bag. It's many different ways you can do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just run a stitch around it. Now see where my back is. Doing the most. Trying to keep it up on the table because let's just say it is a little squirrely. I made a mark at center back, just so you know. Because I don't want to do any hand stitching, not a bit. I'm going to do it on my machine. I'm going to yet again start on the wrong side, move out the chiffon about, what's that, about a ½ inch to an inch. Fold it around the edge. You will need clips for this because otherwise it will shift. And guess what? I don't have clip or pin. I'm going to do pin. I just wrapped it around the edge. Make sure you check your stitch length before you get started. Alright, y'all, I'm done. Here is the reveal of the little capelet that I just did out of chiffon. Looks like a circle skirt, because basically it is. I did put a hook and eye at the front. I'm struggling to find. There you go. Hook and eye. This gives you a hint. Real simple, but effective. I'm not going to stress about it, but this one will work nicely. I'm going to go ahead and put it on a mannequin so you can kind of see it and bring y'all a little bit closer. I can't unplug y'all because my phone will die. She about to fall. So this, it will be worn with this dress. I like it. I really do. I think it's just enough. Like I said, what I would do with the next one. One, I would not do the circle right at the middle. I would adjust it towards the front, or shorten this, but I think adjusting it towards the front would be better. That way I still end up with the distance I want. But I think it gives the same effect and everything. I think it's good. I think it's good. So, alright, y'all. I hope you try to do it as quick as possible. Mind you, it was off the top of my head, because sometimes that's what you got to do. So, but anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel for my next sewing project. And of course, guess what I'm going to do? This is going on to my 100-yard challenge. Yes, I am doing 200, but if I say 100, it sounds attainable because I haven't been sewing as much this last few weeks. I don't know if I'm going to make it to my goal as of right now because I haven't sewn enough this month. Not enough. I need to get up to about 30 yards and then maybe 30 yards. And then I'll feel like I made somewhere. But anyway, I'll catch y'all all on a rebound. Deuces.